For years, if you wanted a music video, you had one option. Hire a video editor. Pay them hundreds of dollars per video. Wait days or weeks for the result. Hope it looks good. That era is over. InVideo is an AI video generator that replaces your video editor. Not partially. Not for basic things. Completely. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly why you should stop paying video editors and start using this AI instead. Let's get into it. Here's what a typical video editor costs. Freelance editors on platforms like Fiverr and Upwork charge anywhere from $50 to $300 for a simple music video. Professional editors charge $500 to $2,000. For a lyric video, you might pay $100. For a social media cut, $50. If you release one song a month, your annual editing costs can easily hit $2,000 to $5,000. Now here's what InVideo costs. The free tier gives you credits to create videos at no cost. The Plus plan is $28 per month. Unlimited exports. Access to all AI models. The full stock library. That's $336 per year for unlimited music videos. One video editor charge versus an entire year of unlimited AI video creation. The math is not complicated. But cost isn't even the main argument. Speed is. A video editor takes days to deliver. You have emails back and forth. You review drafts. You request changes. You wait. InVideo generates a complete video in about a minute. You review it immediately. You request changes by typing what you want. The AI applies them in seconds. From idea to final video in under 5 minutes. That's not a competitor to video editors. That's a different category entirely. Let me show you the actual workflow comparison. Hiring an editor. Monday, you search for an editor, compare portfolios, send messages. Tuesday, you negotiate rates, explain your vision, send your song. Wednesday, you wait. Thursday, you receive a first draft, review it, write up feedback. Friday, you receive revisions, request more changes. Monday again, you finally get the final version. Total time, 7 to 10 days. Total cost, $50 to $300. Total frustration, high. Using InVideo. You upload your song. You type a description of what you want. Cinematic music video with urban night scenes, neon reflections, slow motion cuts on the beat. 1 minute later, you have a video. You watch it. You think the bridge needs more intimate shots. You type make the bridge more intimate with close-ups. The AI updates it. You're done. Total time, 5 minutes. Total cost, free or $28 per month. Total frustration, 0. The quality argument is the last one people make. And I understand the skepticism. AI-generated video sounds like it should look cheap. But here's what people don't realize. InVideo doesn't generate AI video from scratch for every clip. It draws from a library of 5 million plus professional stock clips from iStock and Storyblocks. These are real, human-shot, professional videos. Cinematic drone shots. Studio-lit performances. Artistic close-ups. The AI's job is to select the right clips, arrange them to match your music, add beat sync transitions, and apply consistent color grading. The footage is real. The editing is AI. The result looks like a human editor did it because the raw materials are professional. And if you do want truly AI-generated visuals, custom scenes that don't exist anywhere, InVideo gives you access to Seedance 2.0, VO 3.1, and Kling 3.0. These models generate original video from text prompts. You can request a slow-motion shot of a woman in a flowing red dress walking through a field of golden wheat at sunset, and InVideo generates it. Custom, original, never-before-seen footage that you own. The combination of professional stock library plus generative AI models means you have unlimited creative options. Want realistic? Use the stock library. Want surreal? Use the AI generation. Want both? Mix them. You're the director. The AI is your crew. Now let's talk about what this means for independent artists. The biggest barrier to releasing music visually has always been cost. You can make a song with just a laptop. You can distribute it for $23 a year. You can promote it on social media for free. But video has always required money. Either you pay someone or you learn to edit. Both are barriers. InVideo removes that barrier completely. You can release a song today and have a music video on YouTube tomorrow. You can create a Spotify canvas. You can make TikTok cuts. You can produce Instagram reels. All from the same platform. All with the same subscription. All without anyone else. This is what democratization actually looks like. Not a cheaper version of the old way. A completely new way that makes the old way obsolete. If you're still paying video editors, try InVideo for one project. Compare the result. Compare the cost. Compare the time. If the editor is genuinely better for your specific needs, keep using them. But I suspect that for most independent artists, the AI will be not just cheaper and faster, but better because you have total creative control and instant iteration. Link in the description. Free tier available. $28 a month for unlimited. If this changed how you think about video production, hit like and subscribe. Are you still using video editors or have you switched to AI? Drop your experience in the comments. Link in the description. Now go fire your editor.